Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Kamla Ghost game. You step into the shoes of a tantric priest, summoned to a haunted mansion to save a newlywed woman, Kamla, who is possessed by an evil spirit. Your primary goal is to gather 7 sacred ritual items scattered across the mansion. This survival horror experience challenges you to explore, solve intricate puzzles, and ultimately perform an exorcism to free Kamla from the demon's grasp. Your journey begins with thorough exploration of the mansion. You'll need to find 7 specific ritual items, including salt, holy water, a prayer book, powder, a smudge stick, a kalash pot, and a prayer plate. These are often locked away or require solving puzzles to retrieve. Pay close attention to notes and environmental clues, as they will guide you to the next necessary item or help you unlock secret compartments. As you collect items, you must constantly evade Kamla, who will pursue you relentlessly. Listen carefully for her unsettling giggles or footsteps, which signal her approach. A red bar on your screen will also fill, indicating her close presence. When she is near, quickly find a hiding spot, such as a closet or under a bed, and remain still. Remember, each time you place a ritual item in the courtyard, Kamla will be alerted and come looking for you. Once you have gathered all 7 ritual items, proceed to the mansion's courtyard. This sacred area, featuring a high fire, is where the exorcism must take place. Carefully place each item in its designated spot around the fire. Completing this final ritual will banish the evil spirit possessing Kamla, saving her from her torment. Successfully performing the exorcism marks the completion of your mission and the end of the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.